Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Okay guys, so we're doing a little maintenance on the tractors. I just got back from O'Reilly's Auto Parts. We got some new bulbs. Bob noticed some of his bulbs were out. It's quite dangerous if you don't have all of your bulbs because people can't see your hazards, your turn signals and stuff. So hopefully we got the right bulbs and we can drop these bulbs in and get these tractors up. Okay, so here we are. We got the bulbs.
Change this out, remove the whole light system.
Because that one got broke. That one got broke out, so we replaced the light system over here. And then these are the two, the replacement bulbs, which are kind of expensive. So, we got these.
Yeah.
Hopefully these last a long time. And it says right here, long life. So we hope these have a very long life.
Right.
Yeah.
We're gonna put one in there, Mike.
Right in here.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one
And it
first.
looks like that's the one with two
With the two prongs.
prongs on it. So we haven't used one of these. We're going to drop this in.
I did. I woke up moaning and groaning this morning.
There you go.
Mike, great job.
Yeah.
Let's turn our lights on, Mike, and see before we do anything.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Is it here right here, right?
Yeah, this right here, see this right here.
Okay. This one?
Turn it on. Okay, now turn the key on. Let's see what happens. Just, you don't have to start it, just turn it on. Okay, see if your blinkers work. See if your blinkers work. Yeah, turn it on right there. It's working! Mike, turn that one on that side.
That one?
Oh, yeah!
You see that one, Evan?
Oh, see that one? Oh, it's working!
Yeah.
Oh, we did it, Mike!
What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.